Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P130G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself staring at a cracked screen, you're not alone. A damaged display can be frustrating, making it difficult to see what's on your device. This issue often occurs due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further complications, such as internal damage or malfunctioning touch sensitivity. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few essential tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement LCD cover specifically designed for the Dell P130G. Now, let's get started with the repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. It's important to do this gently to avoid damaging any clips or the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the LCD assembly. This is the component that has failed. You'll see several screws securing it in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, remembering to keep them safe as you'll need them later. As you detach the LCD assembly, be cautious of any connected cables. You will need to gently disconnect these cables using your tweezers. Take your time with this step. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old LCD assembly removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new LCD cover carefully, making sure it aligns correctly with the screw holes. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you removed earlier, applying just enough force to ensure they are tight but not overly so, which could damage the component. Reconnect any cables you detached, ensuring they are firmly connected. Once everything is back in place, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it click into position. Finally, power on your Dell P130G to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. You should now have a clear display once again. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, consider using a protective case or screen protector. These not only safeguard your device from accidental drops but also help maintain its overall condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.